never thought that the things that I struggled with the most just 3 years ago would be the exact thing that I will help people to come out of. And when I think about it, I realize that how far I have come. I'm talking about my own journey here. Like last 2 days, I was so focused on one particular thing, which if you asked 3 years ago to do it, I would had lots of doubt. I would say that no, I'm not the right kind of a person to do it, or forget about those sentences. I would not even take that accountability to really talk or write that or create that resource. And today, while I'm sharing the story about it, I feel so proud. I feel like finally I have made it. This is the feeling that is coming in me, because it is the one thing that I struggle the most with. Like, it's not that there aren't the things that I haven't created before. I have created. Like, I love to be in that creator mode and create lot many creations. I love to be in that zone. Maybe I'm just a creator. But when it comes to sharing or when it comes to talk about it, I've always felt like I'm not the right person to do it, or I'm still not credible enough to do it. So there were so many things that would always come in my mind. Whenever I used to sit to create something, I would have all these blocks that would come in my mind, that what if it doesn't help people? What if no one likes it? What if it doesn't deliver the results which I believed it will deliver? And these blocks always kept me in the space of double doubting my own things, like, will it work, will people love it, will it help, and so many other questions. And these questions always stop me from giving my 100%. But this one resource that I'm talking about, which I spent 2 days, like last 2 days I just spent on this thing to create. And while I was creating it, I was my happiest self, because I knew from the experience that I've gathered, like for last few years, I would say. I would not just talk about 3 years, but before that also I have got a lot of experience. So what I did was, I just sat with it and I put all the things um, into my paper, and I sat and I just went into that creator mode. And while I was doing it, this time I had zero doubts, zero fears, and zero insecurities, because my only aim was to just create it. Let's just do it, create it, and share it with the world. And let's see, because one thing that is in my control is creating, and the response, how people are gonna experience it, how people are gonna learn from it, is not in my control. And I just kept that one thing in my mind and just created it. Once I completed it, what I did was, I just shared with few of the people, my clients and my friends, and I said them, just give your review on this piece of resource that I have created. When I got that review from them, I'm not able to share how happy I was. I was so much happy that I said, okay, I think this served the purpose. This is what I have to do in when I'm in that creator mode, when I'm in that expression mode, that I shouldn't be thinking about the how people are going to take it. Because the reviews that I received was, they said that yes, this is the problem that I went through when I started my journey, or this is the problem I was dealing with currently, and your resource just helped me with that right thing that I wanted right now. And when, when the creator, or when the person who had lots of doubts and fears in the past created something just to deliver or just to help other person come out of the things that I came up, and when you get these kind of reviews, everything feels amazing. Everything feels like this has fallen in the place. And that's what I felt. Just to talk about the resource, what I have created was, I just sat and created one guide, like a practical guide, where people who struggle with communication, not just in terms of I don't know what to speak about, it's more about they know what to speak but they don't know how to put it out there. For those people, I just brought a beautiful practical guide from my own experiences and from the experiences that my client went through, and I put them into a beautiful uh, ebook format, and I created this practical guide, and I also listed it on TopMate. And the the feedback it received was amazing. What I want you to carry from this video is, just don't think much about how people are going to react or how people are going to take what you are going to share, because always people are going to take things from their perspective. But you as a person, when you have something to express, when you have something to share, your focus should be on how can I share in a way that I feel that yes, this is 100% that I have given, because that's what I did and that's what really helped. It just did justice to what my intention was. My ebook, which is like Unmute Yourself at Work, just did the work that I desired to deliver. So that was it for today. If you want that guide, I'll drop the link in the description box. You can just access it. And that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.